it's a flowering plant, right? So it's not just an alga, it's not a moss, but it's a flowering plant that has no roots at all. It just grows with these little suction discs or holdfasts. It's similar to what you would see in a rocky intertidal environment in the ocean with the big brown kelp forests, right? Where they don't have roots, they just have a holdfast that attaches to hard rocky substrates, right? So this is what this plant does. Unique among aquatic plants in that kind of growth structure. But then when the water quality is right and the population is doing really good, you'll find it in rapids, the big boulders in the middle of rapids. So it's a fast water specialist. Here's a plant that's been missing for 150 years, like something to tell us that, you know, the Clean Water Act could be working, right? Like all this time that we invest, all those sewer bills that we pay, all of this, you know, environmental regulation that a lot of people decry, you know, here's that canary in the coal mine that's telling us that, you know, hey, we're actually recovering some of our rivers, our most sensitive species. It's not so much we're going to count how many leaflets and whether they're opposite or adjacent or whether they're serration, is you're just going to learn how to feel a rock and be like, oh, yep, that's Podostemum. Habitat, it's edible, so the loss of it from the Delaware River, and this part of the Delaware River is actually a big loss to the entire ecosystem, and so that's part of the reason we were so excited when it started to come back.
The Lower Delaware Wild and Scenic Management Council, as funded by the National Park Service, supported the Community Science Survey for the lost plant Podostemum. Additional support provided by the Pennsylvania Organization for Watersheds and Rivers and the Pennsylvania Environmental Council.